Health officials have confirmed that 2 people have been told to self-quarantine themselves for 2 weeks after arriving at the Minneapolis St. Paul International Airport amid the coronavirus outbreak. The Minnesota Department of Health confirmed the move on Wednesday, saying the travelers in question had close contact with someone in Europe who had contracted COVID-19. The 2 travelers hadn't yet tested positive for the virus and didn't show any symptoms, but are being isolated so it can be determined whether or not they have it. Other passengers will be notified if anyone on the flight tests positive for the virus. The measures taken to isolate and monitor potential exposed passengers are designed to keep the risk of spread to others as low as possible, according to the health department. The department was notified about the cases by the Centers for Disease Control, which is operating a quarantine station at MSP. On Wednesday, Minnesota Department of Health Commissioner Jan Malcolm said there have been 13 negative tests for coronavirus in Minnesota so far. But officials have long warned that the arrival of the virus in Minnesota is inevitable, especially with more cases being confirmed in other states. Once again, people are being reminded to take some basic precautions to prevent the spread of the coronavirus. First, wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water regularly, especially after touching surfaces. Cover your coughs and sneezes with a tissue or your elbow, not your hand. Try not to touch your nose, mouth, or eyes, and of course, stay home when sick. I'm Chris Norton reporting for RJBroadcasting.com.